to all those who have experienced true love and affection. See the rain falls down. See the rain falls down. Now from the very first moments I laid my eyes on you, felt like a magnet was pulling me towards you. Cupid's arrow hit me in the heart this time. I stumbled up to you, love had made me blind. I said hi, you smiled, felt like I was bathing in sunlight. The feeling was mutual, it was love at first sight. I couldn't suppress it no more, just had to touch you. I sensed your trembling, right then I knew that.
Even if the rain, even if the rain falls down, the love we have will never fade. We won't let it wash away. Even if the rain, oh, even if the rain falls down, sun will always shine on you and me. Even if the rain.
Hello baby, now tell me what's your name. I can see that look on your face that you wanna play a game with me. Cause I'm a Flava MC, I can do this and that, cause I want your booty tats. I got the flavor with my bone, it's a sex zone. So come along, it's gonna come on strong. And after that we take a shower together in the rain. It's gonna be bad.
Now the rest of my life is dedicated to you. There ain't nothing in the world that I would hesitate to do for you. What we share is much stronger than regular love, because we didn't rush it, but took it real slow. Together we'll light up any storm that might appear. And if you have a problem, I'll always lend an ear. I'll carry your burdens like they were my own, because I don't want you to feel down.
Even if the rain,
Yeah.
even if the rain falls down, the love we have will never fade. We won't let it wash away. Even if the rain, oh, even if the rain falls down, the sun will always shine on you and me. Even if the
Holla baby, rip den sköra istället bausa. Sorry girl, I didn't mean to disrespect you, but babe you're almost perfect. No that's true, I really wanna